Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Ariel and today I'm going to share how I made this Christmas pom pom garland. This video is a part of a challenge called Funtime Friday. It's hosted on a monthly basis by Tiffany from Broke Girl Aesthetic, and the co-host this month is creating it myself. The links for the playlist and their channels will be in the description. So this gray stuff is actually raffia that I got from Joann's on clearance. I think it was $3. And then I got these pine cones from a dollar store, the nautical rope from Dollar Tree, and the ribbon from Dollar Tree. And I just tied off the end of the ribbon because once you cut it, it frays really easily, that particular nautical rope, And then I started to make the pom-poms with the raffia. So here I'm just wrapping the raffia around this paint tray that I got from the Dollar Tree, and that's just going to be the base for me to make the pom-pom. Originally, my idea was to do this garland with just 100% raffia pom-poms, but I ended up running out of raffia about halfway through. So I started making some pom-poms with the nautical rope, and I'll show that in a minute. But if you did want to do this and just use all raffia pom-poms, you want to make sure you have, I would say about 3 to 4 packs of raffia. Or if you're getting the raffia that comes in a bag, I would suggest at least 2 large bags of raffia in order to make this with all raffia pom-poms. And again, since I did run out of the raffia, I ended up alternating one raffia pom-pom to one nautical rope pom-pom when I strung them along. But you can string these on in whatever pattern you want. You can do 2 to 1, raffia to nautical rope, however you feel is best. And the raffia does come in different colors, so you could use red raffia or green raffia as well. And I just want to mention these pine cones that I got from my local dollar store, not Dollar Tree, but another dollar store. They were actually pine cone ornaments, so all I had to do was split the rope and then tie them around as an embellishment. But if you don't have something like this at a local dollar store near you, you could also just glue some string to the bottom of a pine cone, and you can paint the pine cones whatever color you like or add glitter with Mod Podge. Also, I want to mention you have the option of embellishing the pom-poms with any other type of ornament. It doesn't have to be pine cones. You can use baubles, or the Dollar Tree has snowflake ornaments that come in a pack of 10. You could use those or any other type of ornament. Please make sure that you guys check out the playlist below. It will be linked in the description, as well as check out the channels for the host and the co-host of this challenge. And let me know in the comments, would you guys have recreated this with all raffia pom-poms? What color raffia would you have used? And would you have embellished with pine cones or another type of ornament? What kind of ornament would you have chosen? Leave me a like, please. And thank you for watching. Have a wonderful holiday.